What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Hello Direct, helping people do their business better. Today we have the JLab Epic Webcam. Stay tuned. I have been testing all the various JLab webcams for business or for work as they call it. And this one here, I have it hooked up right now, happens to be the best one out of the three. And so let's talk about it. It's the JLab Epic Webcam. It comes in at an MSRP of $99, 2-year warranty, not UC certified, but it does work across all the various platforms that I tested it with. And it's Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and WebEx, and it works just fine. You get a 2K or 1080p, 30 frames per second camera with 5 megapixel for HD video. It's got a universal or 2 omnidirectional microphones, and again, it doesn't say anywhere what the mic pickup range is, but I'm going to back it up 8 feet. Oh! All right. So I'm roughly 8 feet from the microphone. Of course, it's a personal webcam, so you shouldn't be 8 feet away from it, but this is what it would sound like if you were 8 feet away from the JLab Epic Webcam. Let's see what else. It's got a universal adjustable clip. That means you can just put it on basically any display or monitor. Threaded attachment for tripod style mounting. Interchangeable faceplates. This is kind of a cool little gimmicky kind of thing or design thing, style thing. So you can actually remove the gray faceplate and replace it with a white faceplate. So depending on your style, your decor, the color of your space, the gray or the white might be better for you. So it's just a nice little way to customize your webcam and your space. This one has a manual exposure button right on the top, and so it's got 4 brightness levels. So I'm going to see if it does anything. So I'm going to tap it. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Woo! And then back to normal. And it has 4 zoom levels. So let's tap that little button and see what happens. Oh, did I tap it? I don't know if I tapped it. There's 1. 2, and then back to normal. All right, that's kind of neat. It's built into the actual top of the webcam there, and it is compatible with a PC, Mac, or Chromebook. But what you're here to see is how well it performs in various light conditions. So let's do that next. All right, so I have that camera recording this, and then I have obviously the JLab Epic Webcam recording this. Oh, you see how that does that with the light? That messes it up. All right, so I'm going to turn off this final light here, but all the lights are out now, so it's just really, woo! Look at that! So we are really, it's dark in here. So this is really impressive. Let's see what happens if I mess with this brightness thing. All right, so this is what it would look like if you were using the JLab Epic Webcam in like basically complete darkness. All right, so I don't know how it's gonna look when we play it back, but like right now I look pretty dark actually. But it is capturing the outside pretty doggone good. Let me see if this exposure button does anything. Let's try to, oh, look at that, look at that. All right, so just touching that little guy changed the view of this webcam. Let's see if I touch it again. Look at that. All right, so that's normal. That's how it comes out of the box. But anyway, so this is what it would look like if you're using the JLab Epic Webcam with bright backlight. But as you saw, you can adjust the exposure, and it does change what you see. And another thing that I wanted to mention, I'm gonna look up at that camera now up there. Just like the other webcams, it's got that cable management, so it does have the little Velcro strip so that you can manage the 6.5 feet of cable, I believe that it is. So that's a thing. So anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to, again, take a little trip throughout my house. So there's varying light conditions happening in my house here. So we'll see how this camera works. And then of course it's also got the autofocus thing going on. Let's see. Look at all those like color changes that happen when you're walking around with this guy. And we're back. So compared to the other 2 webcams that I've tested from JLab, this one is the best performing one by far. It's got the autofocus, it's got the ability to adjust the exposure as well as zoom. For only $99, it's a pretty solid camera in my opinion, compared to the other two and other webcams that I've tested. And it's available on hellodirect.com website, and we'll include a link to that in the description box below. If you have any questions about JLab audio or video solutions, we'll include all our contact information in the description box below. And as always, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.